should you buy crypto on Coinbase? Many people are thinking when they want to buy cryptocurrencies, should I use Gemini? Should I use Crypto.com or Coinbase or Binance? Like, which one is the best one? In this video, I'm going to focus on a few reasons why you shouldn't use Coinbase. I'm going to give you also alternatives, but I must say that I'm not paid by any of the competitors to Coinbase. You won't find any affiliate link down below in the description. This is just like my perspective if you should or shouldn't use Coinbase. Coinbase is really good if a person really likes simplicity. Let's say that someone wants to buy, let's say, I don't know, Ethereum or Bitcoin. They can do it with Coinbase pretty easily. But there are some disadvantages, and let's just come to those. When I come here, you're gonna see Coinbase.com and Pro Coinbase. Most of the people are using Coinbase.com, but Coinbase.com got much higher fees. This is what many people don't tell you. So when you come here to Coinbase.com, you click buy and sell, and let's say that I would be buying of 100 euro of Bitcoin. I'm going to pay a fee of 3.84. That's like pretty high fee. Now you can see that, okay, if it's going to be 1,000 euro, I would pay like 34 euro in fees, maybe even more. But when I come here to Pro Coinbase, and I'll explain you the difference. In Pro Coinbase, when I want to buy, let's say, Bitcoin euro, and I want to buy of 100 euro, look down here, 0.50 fee. Here on Coinbase.com, it's 3.84. So this is the first disadvantage that people don't really know, and Coinbase is not that really transparent about it. Understandable, because through Coinbase.com, they make more money rather than Pro Coinbase, in which they're not making that amount of fees. Why is that? Only because with Coinbase.com, you are actually buying crypto from Coinbase. So you are not trading with other people, you are asking Coinbase to buy it for you, therefore they ask for higher fees. On the other hand, on Pro Coinbase, you are actually trading with other people. And when you come here to orders and fees, and I would scroll down below, you see the fees are not extremely low, but lower comparing to Coinbase.com. So this is the first disadvantage that I see and people don't really know, is that the fees are pretty high. Even the Pro Coinbase, Binance got 0.10, Crypto.com 0.15, Gemini 0.25, then you get like Bitpanda, which are also pretty low. So you just have to keep in mind that uses these, Coinbase is like expensive. But again, it's really simple to use, and like even my 14-15-year-old sister who will be starting investing into crypto can invest through Coinbase, and it will be really easy comparing to Binance, which is much more, I would say, difficult to master. Now, so this is the Coinbase fee structure. When we go even further, then we have another disadvantage: how many coins you can actually buy. So if you're looking for buying only Bitcoin and a few other coins here, let's say I would trade it with Bitcoin, you're gonna have like plenty of coins here, but maybe you want to invest into altcoins. You won't be able to do it on Coinbase, and they don't have many altcoins comparing to Binance. Yes, they have many, but for some people it can be disadvantage, because then you have to invest money into crypto on Coinbase, transfer your crypto, and you're gonna pay fees when you're transferring crypto most of the time. Transfer the crypto to Binance or any other competitors and buy altcoins there. But what you can do is to directly buy it on Binance, and you don't have to use the Coinbase Pro. So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind, that Coinbase Pro, Coinbase.com, they don't have that many options comparing to some alternatives on the market. So that's another thing that you should definitely keep in mind. And the last thing that I prepared is the customer support. This is understandable only because like the more people are really interested into crypto and how it's working and how it's actually worth it. And many people were like, okay, I'm going to invest. Like every single taxi driver was investing into crypto. Everyone around was like interested. Oh, I'm going to buy Ethereum, etc. And it's like, damn, I don't want to say not worth it, but the customer support is, you can't just like employ 100 people straight away and teach them everything, right? It's not that simple. So therefore they have plenty of unsolved tickets, and that's like not that great. So this is another disadvantage that I personally see with Coinbase, that their customer support is not that amazing. And as you can see, like, it's heavily used here. So yeah, but other than that, Coinbase is a good choice if you're just starting out, if you want to buy crypto, and if you don't mind the higher fees but you like the simplicity. In that regard, using Coinbase is pretty effective and good. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.